Classics is actually one of the more pioneering fields in humanities which started using and developing digital tools and resources in our research. And this is all part of a greater field known as digital humanities. My particular field is the medicine and scientific research in ancient Greece and ancient Rome. What I want to understand is how these people living 2,500 years ago, very close but very far away from us in many ways, how did they understand what happens to how the body works? How is it that I'm able to just move my hand, that I'm able to speak, that I'm able to think? How did they explain these daily functionalities and activities of our body? And of course, that ties into the question of how they understood how things go wrong. So they were opening the body. They woke up in the morning and went to do a dissection or write about diseases or about anatomy. I start my morning by opening a Greek text and reading it and looking at it from an historical perspective, but reading a text as an historian, as a classicist. This kind of conveys the disciplinary gap between myself and my objects of research. I realized that we have wonderful tools for studying modern medicine, but to study ancient medicine, there's so much missing. There's no proper dictionary of the terms. So, if I look in a ancient Greek dictionary at the word cardia, which means heart, but can also mean the opening of the stomach, but can also mean various other things in Greek, but even more the visual. There's no atlas of ancient anatomy. And what we are doing has never really been done. I'm really passionate about not just my text, but really bring these texts to more than just the classical and the classicists and historians of medicine, and creating a tool that so many people can use and you would be able to use and explore through it the ancient medicine, ancient anatomical ideas. And part of my passion is also to bring to my students and bring into my teaching this innovative way of innovative kind of outputs in the humanities, not just articles, written books, but also creating digital interactive outputs and resources for other scholars, for public engagement, for school students, and for anyone who is interested and can become passionate as well about these topics.